Hello, this is Dragovich73 with an odd question. Can any of you subscribers or just regular people tell me what this noise is? I have no clue either. Hold on, give me 1 second. Thank you for your patience. Please, if any of you know what this noise is, or if you just think I'm crazy, please respond to me, please. And this has been an episode of Strange Noise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.